guys, do you want to improve your salsa dance technique? If so, this is the right video for you. I'm Juana.
And I'm Herman. And this video, we're gonna be covering a couple of simple tips that you could do to make your dancing look a whole lot better. So get ready and subscribe down here for more salsa tutorials. Enjoy the video, guys. See you soon. Hey guys, what's going on? This is some salsa dancing technique we have right here for beginners. So what I want to talk to you guys about today is how do you step and how do you add some body movement into your salsa dancing. Now, the way we step in salsa is a little bit counterintuitive. When we walk normally, you step out with your right foot you step out with a straight leg and then you step with a straight leg again. But when you dance in salsa, there's a particular way of stepping. It's actually, rather than going from heel to toe, you go from toe to heel. And you're gonna step like that, like that. It's not that obvious. It's just very subtle, but you're gonna go from toe to heel, toe to heel. So if you could just practice shifting your weight in a way that's from toe to heel like that, that'll kind of teach you in itself the steps. When you're taking a basic step, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, you want to think of that toe to heel, but notice that when we're doing it, we'll face this way for you so you can see. You notice 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, that we are not exaggerating this. When you're dancing with a partner, 5, 6, 7, you're not making this like this, like you're prancing like a horse. 1, 2, 3. It's very, very subtle, but it makes a huge difference when you're stepping. And notice also on the last step for us, on the 6 for her, and on the 2 for me. So 1, 2, for me, I'm not putting my heel down in that second step as I go back. I'm just keeping my heel off, and then I'm stepping again, 3. And then when she steps 6, the same thing. She keeps her heel up, not hitting the ground with your heel. Okay, for the rest of the steps, it's normal. Don't dance like this, like on your tippy toes. You want to step every step except the last step on the back. Both for her and for me are going to keep the heels away from the floor, so you keep the heels up, and that's how you step. That's how you take your steps when you're dancing salsa. Now then you add some body movement. So let's talk about how the steps affect your hips. So when you step, ball of the foot first and then the heel, you'll notice that you have to bend the knee. You can't do it with a straight leg and then do the heel, because it makes it awkward. So you gotta bend the knee as you step with the ball of the foot, and then as you take the other step, you step again with the ball of the foot first. So right, left, ball of the foot first. And what you'll notice is that when you step this way and when you're bending the knees, so let's pause here on the right leg for a second. The weight falls on the bent leg, and what that does is that right now I'm stepping with the ball of the foot, and then the knee is bent, it moves my hips, and then it moves my ribcage. It adds body movement. When we do it on the other side, so as we take the steps, you notice that the way we step creates some body movement here in our hips and our ribcage. And that's how you're gonna make your steps look more natural, look more fluid. Even when we take the basic step, you're still doing the same thing. Yeah, so 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that is how you do your steps, and that is how you add some body movement so that you look more natural when you're out on the dance floor. All right, guys, thank you so much for listening, and see you guys on the next tutorial. Don't get frustrated if you're not getting it at first. Practice slow and make sure when you start getting it and people see you, they're giving you all this compliments on your dancing, send them over to this channel. Tell them where you learned the salsa, the technique that you're learning, and subscribe down here for more salsa tutorials. See you guys soon.